Today we will look at Form 940 for 2019. Usually I use a software to prepare payroll, and those software have all this form built in and they filed automatically, everything filled out for you. I have one client who has only one W-2, so we do not use the software, we do it manually. This video will show you how to fill out Form 940 if your employee has any benefits. So let's start. For the purpose of this form, I'm gonna use my company name and my employer identification. I will just put once. So you start with your employer identification number. You write your company name. In my case, it's VK Consulting LLC. You put your address. And be located in Sherman Oaks, California. Now this 940 form is California form. So it's applicable only for California state. What type of a return? We do not fill out anything here because it does not apply. So question number 1A, you put your state abbreviation. We are in California. We pay tax only in California, and for 2019, the only state that has a credit reduction rate is Virgin Islands, so it does not apply to us. I have one W-2, and this employee received $60,000. There was some retirement contributions. An employee contributed to 401k, and employee contributed to the maximum, which was $19,000 in 2019. Line for, and you have to check what was it, retirement and pensions. Here you also can add life insurance, fringe benefits, care, something else, whatever it is. Number 5 is total payments made to each employee in excess of $7,000. We have 60 minus 19 minus 7, it's ended up $34,000. Line 6, you have to combine line 4, $19,000, and line 5, in our case 34, which ended up $53,000. Line 7, we do subtraction from total wages, which is 60,000. We deduct line 6, 53,000. The balance is $7,000, and then we multiply $7,000 by this number, 0.006, and it's ended up $42. In our case, there is nothing for line 3. There is no adjustments. So line 12 becomes $42. We did not deposit anything, which is okay in our case because our payments were less than $500, and we can say the voucher with the payment together with the return. This return fills up once a year, and it's due by January 31st. There was no overpayments. Please do not forget on the second page, fill out again your company name and your tax ID. This, in my case, employee just started working and received payments in the fourth quarter. Otherwise, if you have an employee starting in the first quarter and second quarter, you need to determine how much belongs to each quarter. So $42 were paid in fourth quarter. Line 6 is to fill out if you have a designee who you're allowing IRS to speak to. You can fill out the names and a PIN. Then the signature, which must be signed by the president or accountant, whoever can declare that they examined this return and to best of their knowledge and belief saying it's true and correct. And then if you doing it by yourself, you will do it. If you have a tax preparer who fills out this form for you, you still have to sign, and then paid preparer will fill out their form. In my case, I would put my name because I'm doing it for a client. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.